Hi there, my name is Calvin King. I am the founder of ECLASSCLUB, which is a 24-hour virtual business travel market, catering for the needs of the global business traveller and independent traveller via a 24/7 sales and call centre support unit. The main business goal is to create a value-rich internet-based travel and lifestyle portal platform with the option of accessing that via our own hardware device and app. The choice of silver, gold, platinum membership of ECLASSCLUB will confer the advantage of priority supplier arrangements for the purchase of business travel, mobile communications, technology, activity, lifestyle, associations and consumer products. The platform includes a white-labeled licensed travel and expense management software solution, and in addition to that, our lead generation document is a business and lifestyle newsletter which we market jointly with strategic partners. Plus, we have an eClass Mall, which is a global retail sponsorship e-commerce with exclusive discounted membership benefits. And again, this is strategically with low, mid and premium rated partners and suppliers. Now, according to Agencia CEO Rob Graeber, he says that we are at a turning point in business travel where standalone products are just not enough. Expectations of global business travelers are higher than ever before, and today they want instant access to information and management tools on every device while operating autonomously. Now, ECLASSCLUB concept addresses these current problems that exist in the sector. So within the last 12 months, according to Google, Focusrite and Skift, when it comes to the travel customer experience, personalization is now the name of the game in 2018 plus. 57% of global travelers feel that brands should tailor their information based on personal preferences or past behaviors. Now, this is Google and Focusrite, two large entities who manage data daily in this sector. In addition to that, if a travel brand tailored its information, it says, and overall trip experience based on personal preferences or past behavior, then 36% would be likely to pay more for their services. So say Google and Focusrite. So along comes another new report into the habits of business travelers globally, which highlighted a greater desire for technology access and cross-device integration. Now, the study from Agencia, business travel arm, Expedia, showed instead of incentives such as priority boarding and airport lounge access topping business travelers' wish list, travelers are looking to technology to make the corporate trip more productive and manageable. Now, in a study of globally based travelers, 2/3 wanted to manage and book their business travel on every mobile device, not just their smartphone. More than half of all respondents would avoid human interaction unless they are having a problem. Now, according to the same survey, business travelers are optimistic when it comes to technology. And technology's role in improving their business travel experience. So in the UK, 50% would like to use text to update their travel arrangements. And again, 41% believe advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, will help improve their travel experiences. The study conducted on behalf of Agencia by North Star, which is a globally integrated strategic insights consulting firm, was conducted amongst travellers from Australia, Canada, France, Germany, Norway, Singapore, Sweden, United Kingdom, United States, and the surveys were completed online last year, May. Now, in conclusion, what we have done is address the problem. With the rise of globalization and government regulations, technology solutions make processes more efficient and add value. So today, customers want globally integrated purchasing and process solutions. Business travelers are no different. What they want is a total trip experience, and suppliers want distribution efficiency and business development success. Now, this is what ECLASSCLUB set out to do a number of years ago. Unfortunately, we never got the money that we needed, and we were too far ahead of the curve, according to business gurus, where the technologists just didn't exist for us to create such a device that would address most of these concerns. So today, our key customers and users are seen as business travelers, road warriors, who we feel the profile of the typical E-Class traveler will be a senior manager, age 25 plus, with an average salary of 45k plus, a seasoned frequent flyer averaging 12 business flights per annum. Our other customer channel is SMEs and corporates. Now, typically, these companies have employees who frequent travel for business purposes, and these customer groups often have multiple partners that service their business traveler needs. E-Class Club will offer the cost benefit of single access point for all their business travel requirements, along with an expense management feature that can be licensed and bespoke for companies also. The business proposition for corporates provides strong economic value by offering savings of up to 20% or more on their travel purchases. Now, our final customer group are businesses and distributors, who I mentioned earlier, looking for more efficient channel marketing. Now, this customer group is made up of established premium-rated companies who sell products or services online through conventional distribution channels. The business sectors will include financial institutions, travel agencies, car manufacturers, computer and electronic gadget manufacturers, hotels, and luxury consumer products. Now, E-Class will offer this customer group opportunities to distribute their products and services to a high-income customer group via supplier arrangements. Now, sponsorship, spot, interactive advertising, and alliances with E-Class Club business and revenue model. Now, the strategy for profitability is one of creating relative domain names. So we've created 4 at present. E-Class Club, which is a tiered business and lifestyle information. Then you have E-Class Travel, which is licensed travel and expense management software and service. E-Class Interactive, which is a business and lifestyle newsletter with joint marketing with strategic partners. And of course, we have the E-Class Mall, which is an e-commerce exclusive discounted membership benefits strategically with low, as I said, mid and premium rated partners and suppliers. What's the market opportunity? Well, the analysis so far tells us that future reports conclude that many of the developments affecting business travel market will represent a continuation of current trends, and among such trends have been the increase in delays, uncertainties and risks associated with business travel developments. Now, these are likely to provide a stimulus to the use of alternatives to travel, such as web conferencing, teleconferencing, video conferencing, in situations where face-to-face contact is either not essential or not achievable through delays. Now, the trend towards online booking, we're told, will continue, and the success of travel management companies in addressing this continuing threat to their existence is not assured. So low-cost airline operators are here to stay. But the level of take-up by business travellers has sort of leveled off and is not expected to increase significantly over the next few years. Some recovery in the market share of the full-service airlines business class is expected, while forecast growth in the UK and world economy should support the continued expansion of demand for one-hour UK hotels on the part of business travellers and vice versa in other parts of the world that are popular destinations. Our competitive analysis, why is it better than what exists today and how is it unique? Well, the closest products are currently tablets, possibly smartphones, which provides a large enough screen for the types of information regularly accessed by the business person on the move. However, research has shown that the ergonomics of the design has contributed to repetitive strain disorders, claims, and excessive radiation exposure. The competitive edge of our device, which can be used by the individuals to access our portal via our app, is that it allows for effortless multitasking, a differential, dedicated business offering with creative management, commitment, and 24-hour bilingual video support services. So, apart from having all the bells and whistles on this device, which I shan't go into right now because it's marketing confidentiality, but sponsorship and co-branding of the E-Class Club will be via such things as advertising media campaigns in the business section of the national dailies and Sunday press with an ABC1 readership profile. The company will also selective advertise in business magazines and journals, including, and not limited to, in-flight titles. We shall also do master sponsorship of digital TV, business and independent travel shows. So that's it in a nutshell. We will be providing a device that allows business and independent travellers to multitask and use multiple tools that are built into the device, and also benefit from the major reduction in radiation exposure in its design. And it shall be badged so that subject to one's pocket, you can either afford the silver, gold or platinum version. which will also access silver, gold or platinum services. Now, our staff, our wonderful staff, beginning with myself, I'm the founder and have painstakingly kept the faith and focus on delivering a concept which, in its formulation stage, was streets ahead of the competition, only to have plans rolled back due to the recent financial crashes, aborting the scheduled first round funding approvals, of which we hold documents on still. Our co-founder, Simon Ward, is and was my previous employer at Travel Plus Direct, where it was a leading business travel magazine here in the UK that I helped to take to number 3 in the UK charts. He has joined me because he believes in the concept and also the power of us two getting together. Simon currently runs Travel Plus and version 2, and that particular title and organization serves all of the airlines globally, and both long-haul airlines and jets, amenity packages. So that's what Simon does, and I suppose there's a lot of synergy in the fact that it will be airlines and jets that we will want users, airlines and jet users that we will want to attract, and so the coming together is quite convenient. The other co-founder of ECLASSCLUB many years back is a gentleman by the name of Yuan Denny, very popular sales and marketing executive in the market at the present moment, since E-Class wasn't able to roll out when we wanted to. He has considerable experience of organising and chairing high-level meetings, conferences, corporate events, and has successfully rebranded organisations to date. We certainly are glad for his support today, his continued support. We have another exciting co-founder who joined us recently. He's earned his stripes, Maurice Lothian. He's earned his stripes working in the chauffeur industry for around 20 years. Knowledge and expertise has done him well, and he served many celebrities in his travels. So, very interesting gentleman that we would like to continue in that vein on the concierge side of things. In addition to that, our editor, who again is another individual who's been with us since 2000, trying to get this thing off the ground. His name is Ron Shillingford. Ron is an accomplished editor and book author, having worked all over Europe, America, Africa and the Caribbean. Major assignments include the covering of Jamaica Sunsplash, and he's also occasionally asked to do a number of sports events, in particular boxing, on TV. So a lot of people should know him. And he's very keen to return to the fold and assist E-Class in building its brand. So that's it in a nutshell. E-Class aims to provide an advanced demand management device, if allowed to. But as its core offering, we will be looking to offer the portal with an app, and subject to funding, we would very much like to include our what I would describe as a 007 James Bond type folding PDA. So until we meet again, I'd like to thank you for taking a look at the E-Class Club today. Thank you, and bye for now.